Hello everyone, this is Beth, and boy am I ever sweating. I just got done rototilling this little thing with my little cultivator, and you can see all the roots of the grass that was in there. And Ben is going to be showing you a clip from what this used to look like. And I got in here and I pulled weeds. And I remember saying that it was probably snake haven. I didn't find one snake, but down here there is Ben's accomplishment. Thank you so much for getting that thing out. I have plans for that spot right there. Gonna walk down here. There's some of those black-eyed Susans. I cleaned this all up. At least, kinda. It looks better than what it did. Okay, let's walk around here. This down here is the other side of the house. More black-eyed Susans. More irises. I have a peony right down in there that I cut back. I gotta finish getting this all cleaned out. But a little story. It was last Monday. I was out here weeding all of this, and I got right in there. And at first I'm like, oh my God, what is that? Sorry, flies on me. And we have a new family member at the B&B Homestead. It was a little kitten, and her name is Angel. And oh my God, I love her so much. There must have been a reason that she was sitting right there at that moment, because I really did not plan on weeding this last Monday. I was going to finish down there, but I thought, I'll just keep going for a little bit. And luckily I did, because I found her. Now she's our new kitten. She's all safe and getting fat and sassy, and we're not sure how old she is because we haven't found any more kittens or her mama. But that's the other peony that I cut back. I thought I was going to divide it, but it doesn't really look like it needs divided. But this is all weeds and some more irises back there hiding. Well, I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Anyways, thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and hit that ringy dingy again.